This is my JK flip-flop that I've made. And what exactly is a JK flip-flop? So a JK flip-flop, for every time it gets an impulse input, it's going to alternate its output, just like that. And if you look in the simulation, this is how it's made. And the simulation makes it look a lot more complicated because we can't give the simulation a pulse like we can in the real world. But if we look at this schematic image that's on the internet, we can see that it's really basic to make in real life. And that's exactly what we have right here. So we have this capacitor and resistor combo to make a delay circuit. So every time I press the button, only a small pulse is sent to the actual circuit, not a long button press that I'm pressing it. So, and then these transistors right here are also very, very simple. It's just these two AND gates connected like this, but instead of it being like a normal gate, they're connected to ground because this is our SR latch. And if you look at my SR latch video, you can see exactly how you can make an SR latch easily with two transistors and a few resistors. So these AND gates and then this SR latch, which is basically acting like two NAND gates or two NOR gates, kind of whichever one you want, allows us to easily make this circuit. Let's look in my circuit simulation now, and I'm going to show you exactly how this behaves using a different simulation. So in case you want to make this circuit too, you can. Okay, so now that we actually looked at the physical circuit of the JK flip-flop, we're going to go into a different simulation. And I've just kind of discovered the simulation. It's a circuit simulation. And I'm going to use this as a tool for showing you guys how I built or how I'm going to build my transistor computers using the simulation. And this is the JK flip-flop. So as you can see, every time we make the top wire go to 5 volts, we cause it the switch. So if you want to take a screenshot or, pause the video to look at this right now, this would be the time. Not going to go into too much detail. I'll change the current speed so we can kind of see what's happening. So when it's off right now in this state, the current will go through these. I mean, there's really not that much to explain. You can just kind of look to see what the current is doing. So this is an SR latch right here, though, and then this is our series of AND gates in order to make this work in a more like logic gate sense, but it does work and it works well. And there's no need actually for the capacitor, because the simulation is perfect, and the capacitor wasn't also really necessary in the physical circuit. And I discovered that kind of after making the video. But yeah, that's it. But that's it for this episode of Fulzor. JK flip-flop. We learned a lot today, especially with the help of this new simulation tool. So come back next time for another video about the progress towards our transistor computer or other electrical engineering concepts. But thank you for watching.